Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Curled. Well, I will be bringing you new videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss an upload. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this amazing combo of the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed gel and the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. If you're interested in how I did it, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair, and I'm going to section my hair off into 3 sections, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. So the next thing I'm going to do is re-wet my hair with aloe vera juice and water. It's like a 50-50 mixture. Then I'm going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. I'm going to use coconut oil as my leave-in. Coconut oil is really good for natural hair, hydrates and protects while reducing frizz. And I'm going to detangle that, make sure it's evenly distributed. Then I'm going to use Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It has neem oil in it, so that controls frizz, silk protein, coconut oil, all those things. I'm going to detangle. And then I'm going to be using the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel by Aunt Jackie's. This is a sulfate-free gel, of course. Now, flaxseed is rich in omega fatty acids. It promotes healthy hair from the inside out, and it does help prevent dryness and flaking. This does have wheat protein in it as well, which is really good for your hair. This, in combination with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I think is perfect. So I'm applying this to my hair in subsections, as you can see, and then I'm shingling my hair. Basically, just coat each strand with the gel. This does help you get the maximum definition, and it helps your wash and go last longer than it normally would if you did it in larger sections. So that's what you'll see me do here. So now I'm going to continue this process all throughout my head, and I'll be back when it's finished. Alright, so I finished that process all throughout my head, and here are my results. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. That white part will dry up. And these are my results. Let me tell you something. Eco Styler gel has nothing on this combination, okay? My hair is bouncy, it has volume, it's perfectly defined, it doesn't have that crunch that Eco Styler gel gives. It is perfect. See, it passed the bounce test, and then I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back of my head. Very defined, it's so beautiful. This is a perfect combination for me. If you try this, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But I do thank you all so much again for watching my channel. Happy 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed your holiday with your family. Be safe and be blessed. Until next time.